Hey there, gorgeous! Leah here, and today we're diving into something spacious, practical, and a little bit flirty. We're talking about the top 7 most practical EVs with 500 plus liters of trunk space. The ones that pack it all in without breaking a sweat. Whether you're hauling shopping bags, sports gear, or everything you need for a weekend getaway, these EVs can handle it. And some of them, well, they look pretty damn good doing it too. At EV Top Tier, we don't just glance at manufacturer specs, we get hands-on with every cubic inch. And just wait, there's one at the top of the list that's got more space than some apartments. Yeah, I'm not kidding. And let's just say, the way it moves, it'll have you begging for more. Ready to load up and roll out? Let's go! 7th place, Mazda MX-30 EV 2025. Starting at number 7 is the Mazda MX-30. With exactly 500 liters of trunk space, this compact city cruiser sneaks onto our list by the skin of its teeth. But don't let its size fool you. This little beauty knows how to make the most of what it's got. Those rear-hinged freestyle doors make loading up surprisingly easy. Perfect for when you're juggling shopping bags or weekend gear. And the cargo area? Flat, wide, and begging to be filled. Perfect for those late-night runs when you're hauling, well, more than just groceries. Inside, you get that signature Mazda vibe. Cork accents, a floating console, and enough style to make you feel like $1,000,000. The 60/40 split rear seats fold almost completely flat with a simple one-touch mechanism, giving you a perfect place to stretch out and relax when you need a break from the world. The MX-30 proves that practical doesn't have to mean boring. It's the compact companion that's always ready for adventure, no matter how spontaneous you're feeling. But stick around, because what's next? It's about to get a whole lot roomier. 6th place, Nissan Ariya E-Force AWD. At number 6, we have the Nissan Ariya, the EV that's bringing luxury vibes without the luxury price tag. 500 liters of trunk space? Check. Flat floor? Check. Rear seats that recline? Oh yeah. What I love about the Ariya's design is how deceptively accommodating it is. That 500-liter measurement doesn't tell the whole story. Fold down those rear seats and you're looking at over 1,350 liters of space. That's enough room for whatever weekend plans you might be cooking up. The power lift gate is hands-free, which means you can just swing that hip and watch it open. Perfect for when your hands are full or you're feeling a little extra. And those adjustable floor panels let you create separate compartments, keeping your groceries from tumbling into your gym bag. The E-Force all-wheel drive system doesn't just add confidence on slippery roads, it helps keep the car level even when you're hauling heavy loads. No saggy rear end here, darling. And if you're feeling fancy, the dual-screen cockpit and ambient lighting keep the whole vibe smooth and oh so kick during those late-night drives. 5th place, Volkswagen ID.4 Pro S Plus. Coming in at number 5, the Volkswagen ID.4. Practical, German-engineered, and surprisingly sexy. We're talking 543 liters of trunk space, and if you fold down the rear seats, you're looking at over 1,500 liters. That's a lot of room for whatever you're into. The ID.4's cargo area features a variable height floor that can be set exactly how you like it. Set it high for a perfectly flat loading area when the seats are folded, or drop it low when you need to maximize your vertical space. The power tailgate can be height-adjusted too, preventing those embarrassing bonks in low-ceiling parking garages. Inside, you get VW's clean, minimalist layout. Simple, straightforward, and packed with hidden compartments that keep your secrets, your clutter under control. The absence of a traditional transmission tunnel means there's a generous storage space between the front seats. Perfect for a purse or small bag you want to keep close. And here's the kicker. With its ultra-quiet cabin, you can let the kids sleep and, well, let your imagination run wild. The ID.4 proves that German engineering knows how to combine utility with pleasure. But as spacious as the ID.4 is, our next contender takes EV practicality to a futuristic new level. Fourth place, Hyundai IONIQ 5 Limited AW'd. Oh, the Hyundai IONIQ 5, futuristic, stylish, and packing 527 liters of trunk space. This one's got those rear seats that slide, recline, and fold flat, meaning you can configure it however your heart desires. What sets the IONIQ 5 apart is its flexible interior space. Those sliding rear seats allow you to prioritize either passenger comfort or cargo space depending on your mood. Slide them all the way forward, and you'll gain an extra 80 liters of trunk space without folding anything down. Perfect for airport runs with extra luggage. The flat floor throughout the cabin means loading longer items is a breeze. No awkward humps or tunnels to navigate around. And with the front seats fully reclined, you can create what Hyundai calls a relaxation mode, essentially turning your car into a cozy lounge when parked. Perfect for those extended breaks during road trips. And the interior, a total flex. Dual screens, V2L power capability, and enough legroom to stretch out and relax. That V2L function, you can power a mini fridge, a projector, or even a small party. Just saying. And if you're planning on staying out all night, well, it's got room for that too. But impressive as the IONIQ 5 is, our next vehicle takes capability to a whole new level. Third place, Chevrolet Silverado EV RST. Number 3, the Silverado EV RST. Big, bold, and built to haul. 620 liters of trunk space and a midgate that lets you extend that even further. Need to load up some heavy gear? This one's got you covered, honey. The Silverado EV reimagines what a truck can be in the electric era. Unlike traditional pickups, it features a revolutionary midgate. Fold it down, and suddenly you've got a bed that's over 9 feet long. And trust me, it's ready for some serious action. What impressed me most is how it maintains luxury despite its utilitarian capabilities. The frunk offers secure, weatherproof storage for valuables you don't want exposed in the bed. And the powered tailgate can be operated from the key fob. No more awkward reaching when your hands are full. And inside, plush leather seats, a 17-inch touchscreen, and enough towing power to make you feel like a boss. But here's the real kicker. The Silverado can tell you exactly how much range you've got left, even with a full load. Talk about a control freak. With innovative storage solutions and flexible configurations, it offers more versatility than most traditional trucks, while keeping things electric and exciting. Second place, Kia EV9 GT-Line. Now, if you're craving space, the Kia EV9 GT-Line is gonna hit that sweet spot. With 545 liters of trunk space, 3 rows of seats, and enough headroom for even your tallest friends. This one's a certified family hauler with a twist. What makes the EV9's cargo space special isn't just the raw numbers. It's the thoughtful design. Even with all 7 seats in use, those 545 liters are genuinely usable thanks to the upright rear design. And with the third row folded flat, you're looking at over 1,400 liters of cargo space. The power lift gate opens high, and the load floor sits at a comfortable height. No awkward positions needed unless you want them. The third row folds completely flat with a simple pull mechanism. No complicated procedure required. And let's talk style. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a massive panoramic roof that makes every drive feel like a road trip. And with highway driving assist too, you can let the car do the work while you sit back and enjoy the view. And here's the thing. Fold those seats flat, and you're looking at a space that's practically begging for a little after-hours fun. The EV9 proves that family-friendly doesn't have to mean boring. But as impressive as it is, our top contender takes cargo space to an entirely different level. First place, Tesla Model X Plaid. Here it is, the king of cargo. The Tesla Model X Plaid. 1,000 liters of trunk space when you drop those rear seats. You heard that right. 1,000 liters. That's enough for bikes, boards, bags, and probably even a small yacht. The Model X's cargo supremacy comes from its clever design that maximizes every available inch. With the third row in use, you still get an impressive 425 liters behind the seats. Fold the third row, and you're looking at 1,000 liters of beautifully flat space. Drop the second row as well, and you'll have a cavernous 2,300 plus liters. Enough space to literally sleep in comfort. And don't forget about the front. At 187 liters, it's one of the largest front trunks in any production vehicle. That's enough space for several weekend bags or a comprehensive grocery run, all stored securely away from prying eyes. And it's not just big, it's fast. 2.5 seconds to 60 miles per hour fast. But inside, it's all Tesla. A cinematic 17-inch display, yoke steering, and that unmistakable minimalist vibe. Those falcon wing doors? They're still here, still turning heads and still looking like they're ready to take off. But here's the real secret. With all that cargo space and all that speed, the Model X Plaid isn't just practical. It's practically untouchable. And if you're into a car that can handle it all, from wild nights to weekend escapes, this one's the king of both worlds. So, there you have it. The top 7 most practical electric cars, with 500 plus liters of trunk space. From the compact MX-30 to the cavernous Model X Plaid, each of these EVs proves that going electric doesn't mean sacrificing space for your stuff. What makes these vehicles special isn't just their raw numbers, it's how thoughtfully that space has been designed. Flat load floors, flexible seating arrangements, and clever storage solutions mean you can make the most of every cubic inch. Whether you're hauling groceries, sports equipment, or everything needed for a weekend getaway, these EVs offer the perfect blend of practicality and performance. And some of them look pretty damn good doing it. Which one would you stuff full of? Well, whatever you're into. Drop your pick in the comments and let me know. And don't forget, there's more flirty EV content waiting for you. Click here and see what else I'm packing. This is Leah for EV Top Tier, where only the best survive.